How to replace the DPF filter with a straight pipe in Kubota V6108 engine. Unscrew all the sensors to simplify the disassembly process. Loosen the bolts that are holding the middle part, which is the actual filter. Once you have loosened the bolts, you can pull the side parts out. You can reuse the gaskets when installing the straight pipe. Line up the straight pipe with the side part and bolt the straight pipe in. Line up the other side part and bolt it in.